Hello there, welcome to our channel tutorial video again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to unblock someone on your Snapchat account. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to unblock someone on your Snapchat account, let's open up our Snapchat app first. After opening your Snapchat app, you will be also seeing the same camera interface, whereas on the top left corner of the screen you can see your Bitmoji icon. Tap on your Bitmoji or your profile picture icon, and after landing over here, which is your profile section, on the top right corner of your screen you can see the settings icon. Tap on settings and scroll down to the bottom of the list where you can see the blocked option available over here just above the saved login info or just below the contact syncing. Tap on blocked, and over here you will find all of the blocked list you had blocked on Snapchat account. Now to unblock a user, you can see there is a cross mark at the right side of each user which you had blocked. Tap on that cross mark and the option to unblock will appear like this, which says are you sure to you want to unblock the Snapchatter. Tap on yes, and he or she will be unblocked from your Snapchat account. And there guys, this is how you unblock somebody on your Snapchat account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.